Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos.
Hey, what's up YouTube, this is Wasay here, and today in this video I'm going to show you how you can book your Microsoft exam online. So let's begin the video. Here I have opened Microsoft Learn website where you can browse all of the different certifications and exams. The first thing that you need to make sure is that go onto the top right side and you're going to sign into your Microsoft Learn account. Once you have logged into your Microsoft Learn account, you're going to press on your profile picture and you're going to press on setting. Here it's going to show your username, URL, your display name, which are not very important, but if we go down here it's going to say your connected certification profile. So the main thing, if you have a new account, you need to connect your certification profile, which is basically going to contain all of your legal names and address, which will be verified when you're going to take the exam. So if you haven't connected it, you're going to have a button saying connect certification profile, but if you have already done like me, you're going to have this manage certification profile. So just simply enter your details correctly, like your legal name on your ID card or on your driver's license, because if the spellings mismatch during the exam, then you are not allowed to take the exam. Once you have added your certification profile, you're going to open that exam page which you want to give. In my case, I want to give the exam PL300 Microsoft Power BI Data Analyst. In your case, it may be different. All you need to do is to go down to the schedule exam section. First of all, you're going to select your country. In my case, it's Pakistan, and you're going to see that the price is going to vary according to different countries. We're going to press on the schedule exam button. Here it's going to show you the exam name on the top, which is PL300. In my case, it's going to show your legal name. Again, the spelling should be correct, your job title, your address, your city, and all your personal details. Once all the details have been verified, you're going to press on the next button. Here is the page where you can get discounts if you're a student. So you're going to type your student email address right here, which your university provided you, or if you're working for an organization, you can enter your organization email address here as well and press for check discounts. Maybe you qualify for them, maybe you don't. I have already checked mine and I do not qualify for any discounts, so I'm going to press on the next button. You're going to press on schedule with Pearson view. So there are mainly two ways to take your exam. One is go to the test center and the other way is to take your exam online. So if you're going to take your exam online, then you can take it at your home or on your office. With online, you have the flexibility to take the exam at almost any time because of the major time slots available. But the downside is that you're going to need a quiet space. Other than that, your system should fulfill the minimum Microsoft requirements to take an exam. So I don't want to go with all this hassle. That's why I'm going to select a test center, because all of the things will be set it up for me. So in the test center, you need to have your photo ID, what to expect, and what personal items you can carry. For this, you're going to have these two links. You can simply press on them and view them in detail. Press on next. You're going to select your exam language. In my case, I want to give the exam in English language. Press on next. Provide additional information. You're going to read the terms and conditions, and after that you're going to press on the yes button. Press on next. So here are some Microsoft policies again, which you're going to read. Press on agree. So now we're going to find a test center because we are giving the test physically. I have already checked the address for this particular test center and this is the nearest to me, so I'm going to select this particular test center. After that, I'm going to press on the next button. So now you're going to find an appointment. Again, the test center address is right here. You're going to select a date. In my case, I want to give the test on 19th April 2023, and now it's going to show you any available time slots. So here you want the 12-hour time or for the 24-hour format, it's on you. I'm going to press on explore more times because I want to go in the afternoon, not in the morning. So here we have time slots from 1:15 to 5 p.m. I'm going to expand this one, and I think I can read the test center at 2, so I'm going to select the 2:15 p.m. option. It's going to show you your Asia Karachi, basically your time zone as well, and you're going to press on the book this appointment button. In this page, it's going to show you all your details, so make sure that you read this page carefully. At the end it's going to show you the subtotal, any tax and your total. So we're going to press on proceed to checkout. Again it's going to show your order total. If you have any voucher code or promo code, you can enter it right here. So now I'm just simply going to add my card information and the billing information, and then I'm going to pay the fee.